India Bharat. You're listening to Shri PADMASHREE Radio 20.5 FM. It's me Arjun Nandini and with me
RJ Kausalya. School news. Temperature and COVID cases on the rise. Delhi schools reduce outdoor activities for students.
Breaking news. IndiGo becomes first airline to land aircraft using indigenous navigation system GAGA. News 2. I dedicate my last year to health runner Tata at Cancer Hospital in irrigation in Assam.
World news. India asks states run firms to consider buying Russian oil assets.
COVID news. Do colleges to postpone particles for studies with COVID-19?
General knowledge. Friends, today we are going to learn about binary stars. Binary stars are two stars orbiting a common center of mass. The brighter star is officially classified as the primary star, while the dimmer of the two is secondary, classified as A and B respectively. In cases where the stars are of equal brightness, the designation given by the discoverer is respected.
Today's weather report. Today's temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, feels like mostly sunny. Today's wind is light. Today's sunrise at 6:01 AM and today's sunset at 6:34 PM. Thank you, Bharat.
Sign off with me, RJ Kausalya, from Shri PADMASHREE Radio 12.5.